Are you ready to unlock your body's full potential? Welcome to the ultimate guide to biohacking, tips and tricks. Today, we'll explore powerful strategies to enhance your health, boost your energy, and improve your overall well-being. Let's dive in. First, what is biohacking? Biohacking is the process of using science, technology, and self-experimentation to optimize your body and mind. It's about taking control of your biology to achieve peak performance. Whether you want to improve your mental clarity, increase energy levels, or enhance longevity, biohacking offers a path to do just that. Let's talk about nutrition. One of the most effective biohacks is intermittent fasting. This method allows your body to enter a state of autophagy, where it cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new ones. Aim for a fasting window of 16 hours, which means you can eat during an 8-hour window. Many people find skipping breakfast works best for them. Another tip is to incorporate healthy fats into your diet. Consider adding MCT oil or grass-fed butter to your coffee for sustained energy without the crash. This is known as the bulletproof coffee method, popularized by Dave Asprey. Lastly, focus on neuronutrition. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins can enhance brain function. Think salmon, blueberries, and leafy greens. Next up is exercise. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is a fantastic way to maximize your workout in a short time. Just 20 to 30 minutes of HIIT can boost your metabolism and improve cardiovascular health. Additionally, consider cold exposure. Cold showers or ice baths can reduce inflammation and improve recovery time. Start with 30 seconds of cold water at the end of your shower and gradually increase the time. Now, let's focus on sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for recovery and overall health. Here are some tips to enhance your sleep quality. 1. Create a sleep sanctuary. Keep your bedroom dark, cool, and quiet. 2. Establish a sleep routine. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day to regulate your body's clock. 3. Limit screen time. Avoid screens at least an hour before bed to improve melatonin production. Biohacking isn't just physical, it's mental too. Incorporate mindfulness practices like meditation or journaling into your daily routine. Try starting with just 5 minutes of meditation each day and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable. Finally, let's talk about technology. Wearable devices like fitness trackers can help you monitor your health metrics, such as heart rate and sleep patterns. Use apps to track your food intake and exercise, making adjustments as needed to optimize your results. Consider using blue light blocking glasses in the evening to reduce eye strain and improve sleep quality. To wrap up, biohacking is about making informed choices to optimize your health. From nutrition and exercise to mindfulness and technology, these tips and tricks can help you lead a healthier, more vibrant life. Remember, the journey of biohacking is personal, so experiment to find what works best for you.